This 5-minute solution will show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Follow this step-by-step guide to make a public profile on Snapchat. And the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. First of all, launch your Snapchat app. Tap on your profile photo at the top left. Scroll down and here you will get this create public profile option. And if you don't see this option here, then tap on settings at the top right. Scroll down under privacy control section, tap on view my story, select everyone, tap on contact me, select everyone, tap on see me in quick add and make sure to enable this. And then here you will get this create public profile option. So tap on it, continue, get started, create, and a public profile will create here. Now to customize or edit your profile, tap on it, tap on edit profile, and from here you can upload a photo from your gallery. You can add a bio to your public profile. You can add a location here. So this is how we can create a public profile on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.